Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310, and today I'll be doing a quick video on replacing the seals inside your gull wing compartments. Now I've got those new seals right here. You can see Kawasaki, they are made in the USA, and I'm going to show you how to replace the seal. It's really easy. Now, over time, what I've noticed with these seals is that they tend to rust like this. And you can see the ends there were rusting pretty bad. I had added extra foam to try to, but ultimately, the bottom line is that I decided these were at the end of their life. Now, if you have an extended warranty on your ski, like I do, it's possible these would have been replaced by the dealership. I didn't want to wait for the dealership to install these, and it was easier for me just to do it myself rather than mess around with all the BS. So 391450779. So you can see that these seals are the exact same part number for either side. So I wanted to show you guys a really cool improvement that was made to this seal. So you can see that it's glued together from the factory, like it comes as a ring. My ski's a 2022 model. And you could see this wasn't a ring. It was literally, it had a gap, like a half-inch gap between the two seals, and it was sealed with silicone. And as you can see, that really didn't work. So now it's one continuous seal, which is nice. Should have been like that. Because the new seal is a continuous loop of trim and not just an open-ended piece like the previous seal I had in there, I had to pull off this my tilt cylinder in order to get this new seal in place. So not such a big deal, but you know, just so you know. So here is the part that's glued. I'm gonna put that part that's glued right here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and we're gonna get the seal on just like this. It's gonna go, I'll just show you like that. There's your slit, and then the seal's gonna stick out just like that. Okay, so there is my new seal installed, and what I'll tell you is that it's the same seal as the old one, but it's again, it's a continuous loop. It's got a much better seal, and I'm glad that they did that, because this is the one that came with my ski, and it actually had, if you guys bought a 2022, you'll see this in your ski. It had a gap, like you could put like a pinky in, and it had some silicone. So I guess what they realized is that doing it that way made the trim rust like this. So again, if you have some water intrusion in your gull wing boxes, or your seals look like this, right, you should replace them. These seals are made in the USA, and that's part number 39145-0779. My final tips are: make sure that the seam is not right here. From the factory, when these parts joined, the seal was right here in the most critical portion of the ski. So put the seal right down here, because the water's going to hit from the top, not the bottom part of the door. The water hits the front part of the seal here. For example, when you're out in the chop, the water is hitting right here, coming over the handlebars sometimes. So the very top part of the seal and then the front part of the seal right here is where water intrusion comes in the most. The bottom part of the seal is relatively shielded. Again, you need two of these. $12.89 a piece, $24.56 total plus shipping for two of these seals, one for each side. So I hope this video was helpful. Now I'll throw these in the trash.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content only on JD's Water World.